everyone, hi, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners, Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where it's kind of yellow out from those Canadian wildfires, and my thoughts sure go out to our friends up north. Bit of a bummer here. Let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on. All right, so red cedar shingled roof. Pretty typical situation here. We've got overhanging trees covering, kind of casting shadow on this side of the roof. So on this side in particular, we've got, the normal lichen and algae growing, a bit of lichen up there. So I'm here to clean the roof, keep it maintained for this homeowner. Fine. Homeowner's not here. That's fine too. Here's the problem. We've got no gutters. We've got a car parked right under the drip line. This is an issue because I got to use chemicals to clean this roof. And I do have, an option of what types of chemicals that I use. But it's going to be chemicals. And I don't own a Mercedes. But if I did, I would not want any of those chemicals getting on my car. I would not want any of those chemicals getting on my car if I had a 25-year-old Subaru Legacy. Okay, it doesn't matter that this is a nice car, but it happens to be a nice car. The point being, I got to use chemicals. The car is here. It's not moving. What do I do? So somebody's out there saying, oh, just keep it rinsed. Keep throwing water on it as I'm cleaning the roof. So that way, if anything, when the chemicals drip from the roof to the car, the chemicals will get washed right off. No problem. Someone else is out there saying, no, put a tarp over the car and then clean the roof and then take the tarp off. Here's my problem with both of those. And if you clean cedar roofs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. No matter how much I rinse when I'm done, there's still going to be some chemical on that roof when I leave this driveway. It might be diluted. It will be diluted, but it's still going to be up there. Maybe it's still dripping. Maybe it's just still up there sitting on the roof shingles, waiting to get rinsed off the rest of the way when it rains next. So my point being, no matter how much I rinse, no matter how I cover or rinse the car as I'm working, when I leave here, there's going to be something dripping down, and I own the results of whatever happens from there. Maybe it's just that the car needs a car wash when the owners get back. Maybe it's something a lot worse, and I've heard everything along that whole spectrum from one end to the other. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to call the homeowner and say, hey, I'll do what I can on the rest of the house. I can't clean this part of it today. I will circle back sometime soon. I will certainly sleep better doing it that way. I think he'll appreciate the care I've taken, with his vehicle here. But here's an important point. If you're a homeowner, please be aware that not everyone in my situation would do that. There's a lot of people, and I don't mean to stereotype, but let's just say like the Cape Cod beer money contractor off Craigslist who rolls in on his last penny and can't leave until he gets paid. That person would not be so accommodating in terms of coming back another day when the vehicle's gone. That person, and trust me, I've seen these situations where, oh my God, they need to get this job done because they need to get paid like now. All right, so they get driven to desperate measures. I'm not saying I've never been desperate, but I am saying there's a benefit to hiring a contractor or a cleaning contractor with plenty of work. I'm gonna leave this driveway, call somebody else on my list and say, hey, good news, I can clean your deck today. Would that be nice? Would you want me to do that? If they don't want me to do it, I go to the next one down. Next one, next one, next one. I am not worried about filling an empty spot in my calendar. A lot of guys are. So it's something to be aware of if you're a homeowner. It's something to be aware of, like what's the situation of the person you're hiring and what decisions is that going to drive them to? If you're a roof cleaner watching this, I don't know, you tell me if you do something different or if you see an option here that I don't see. But I'm going to leave. I'm not going to stress about it. And I'll be back another day. All right. Hope you're well.